Good day, my name is Bennie Burger. I'm the Senior Plant Manager of Raubex Construction in South Africa.
My name is Thulani Ndaba Petrus. I'm a final level operator of motor grader. I'm working for Raubex Construction in South Africa.
Our company have big projects all over South Africa. Caterpillar machine in our fleet is about 100 machines. In our Raubex Construction division, we have 18 motor graders.
My main application of motor grader is to mixing the material and flattening, spreading and finishing cutting levels of the road. I firstly operated 120G of CAT and 140G, 140H and 140K up to so far.
The productivity and efficiency is very good on the machine, and the big thing of that is the fuel consumption. So if you can just on the saving on the fuel, we did calculate that to a month, there's a big saving and the productivity is very, very high.
My overall impression on this machine is the cab is wide open for me and the levers are soft to operate. It is very easy to see the mouldboard when you sit into the chair in the cab. Even when I see the stone in the surface, it is much easier for me to see it and to shift it with the mouldboard.
My impression of the grader is very good, especially on the transmission side with the park brake that they remove from inside. That's a big positive for us. From the operator that will also give his info, the cab is very good, so you can split the machine very easily. The visibility out of the cab is much better than on the older machine.
The machine does not have a lot of noise. And the reverse camera, number one for me, for safety of the side, so that I cannot make anyone injured while I don't see it. The gear lever of this machine is very easy to drive with it and to shift the gears up and down. And the reverse is very soft. The new chair, I like it the most because my back, I can control it. I can control even to be high or low, even to shift it. It's easy to do it.
On the service side, it saves a lot of time. It's more service friendly, then you don't have to work under the machine. You can stand to do it on top. The support and the part supply is very good. The online system, with that we don't have any problems with the support. As you can see, if we have a problem, we can just call the technician or send the email and the next day the guys is on site. On the improvement is on the machine, the big thing also is the reversible fan at the radiator and also the accessibility. All the covers you can take off very easily to the radiator, the coolers, the batteries is very accessible.
Inspect the machine is very much easier to me. To check the machine, to inspect the machine. It's saving a lot of time for me so that I can get enough time to do the production for the company. I'm comfort. I feel free when I'm done with my duty.
On this stage, we will not buy any other graders. We are very pleased with the machine. The durability is very good. Overall, we're all happy with the machine. Yeah.